guys, in this video we are going to be learn item related command in PowerShell, and we will perform a CRUD operation. What we can do with that item related command. Let me open any folder first and get an idea what we are going to do here. So here now you can see these are my folders and files available in my movies folders. Here you will see some information about folders and files. So here now you can see when this was modified and what is the type of it and what is the size of it. So now you can see here you are not able to see the size of this folder because it is in folder. You can check only size of your files only. If you want to see the size of this folder, what you have to do, you have to be calculate the size of your file which is available inside your Bollywood folder. Then you can understand what is the size of this folder. If you right click on any folders or file, you will see here property. Now you can see here these are the information that we are going to be learn through command line, and this is the file. And what I'm going to do here, you can see properties. When you click here, you can see these are the information that we are going to be learning. How many command is available in PowerShell, we are going to be see that. Get-command, noun and item. Now you can see these are the commands that we are going to be learn today. So what this will do, this will clear whatever data is available in a property. It is used with registry in that having a multiple key, so that if you want to be make an empty to that property, so you can use a clear item. Copy item, you can copy one folder to another folder. So in that case we have to use a copy item. You can copy files as well as folder from one location to another location. So in that case we have to use a copy item. Get item, what it will do, it will read the all properties of your data. So data here having a file folder, so you want to be read and properties of this data, so you can read that property. What is the size and modify date and name of that, and what is the path of that file, so you can read that. And for reading, you have another command, that is a get-child item. So you can use this command also to reading these property. And invoke item, what it will do, if you want to be open any file, so you can use this invoke item to open. So you can open multiple files at a one time using a invoke item. Move item, what it will do, it will move your data one folder to another folder, same to same copy folder. But what is the difference? There is the only difference, same data will be available in your source location, that will not be deleted from your copied location. But using this, you will delete from your source location and it will move that data to destination location. And new item, what it will do, if you want to create a folder, you can create folder, you can create and files using a new item. And here you have a remove item, what it will do, if you want to delete these data, you can delete folders and file. If you want to rename folders or file, set item, what it will do, we don't we use this, mostly we use another command instead of this is used to update your properties in registry or variable, right, and current folder location. So in that case we use these commands. So let's try to be understand this command one by one. What I'm going to do here, use and copy item. So how we can use get hyphen copy item, hit enter. Now you can see this is the syntax for using this command. So what you have to do, now you can see here these are the parameters that you can use. But here if you see here, what you can do here, it's your source path from which you want to be copy your data, and this is your destination. It is naming also destination, but here is not a source. You have to be here having a string. What kind of a data it will take? An string. It will also take an string array. Means more than one item you can copy to this location, whatever location you will provide here to destination. Container, what it is meaning, you will copy only container, means folder, and forcefully if you want to copy you can copy, and if you want to filter out, so you can filter out also, include and exclude recursively. If you want to copy recursively that data, whatever is available inside the subfolders and subfolder, whatever data is available, you can copy that. If you don't want to copy that, so you don't have to use an recurse. Recurse force, it will also copy your child data which is available in your subfolder. What it will do? It will use for checking purpose how it will behave. In that case, we have to be using what if parameter. What if, and here having an additional parameter that you have to be focused from session and to session. So these are the two parameters that we use for remotely. Whenever you are working with remotely, means you want to copy from one server to another server. So in that case, you have to be using these parameters. One server's location to another server location. Let's understand copy hyphen item. Then you have to use a path that will accept an string. So I have used here a string parameter. What I'm going to do here, paste here movies, and inside having a Bollywood folder. So that folder I want to be copy where at destination, and here destination. What I'm going to do here, I will give here destination. Let me check where is my destination where I want to copy. This is my Bollywood folder, and inside having it subfolders and files. Now you can see at my desktop we're having a destination folder, and let's see. I will copy destination path. This is my path of destination. Now let's paste it. Now hit enter. Now you can see that has been copied. So let's verify that destination folder. Now you can see Bollywood folder has came here. But if you see inside, there is no data, but it has copied only name. So what you have to do to resolve this, well, if you want to move that data also, so you have to use a recurse parameter and hit enter. So that is already exists, therefore it is not copying that folder, that is a Bollywood. Let's see. Now you can see apart from this folder and other data also has came. This is the meaning of a recurse parameter. Yeah, what I'm going to do here, it is copying. I'm going to use a move folder item. So what you have to do here, you have to use a path, and inside the path you have a folder that is a inside Bollywood, and I'm going to copy at the destination. So what it will do, it will inside having an Hollywood. So inside Hollywood folder, I want to move this folder. Hit enter. If you see here in this movie, Hollywood movie folder has deleted from source location. And if you see in a destination location, now you can see inside the